Hello, hello. Live stream number 110. Hope everybody's doing good today. All right. I forgot to grab my phone. Give me 1 second. Okay. Just a moment here, getting everything set up. Okay. All right, my microphone is officially fixed, by the way, so fixed that problem yesterday. One thing here. Okay. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and get into it. Looks like the dollar is still coming up. Not too surprised on that. Went up a little further than I thought it would. I will say that much. All right, it's a good chance it continues to go up. Let's check the news really quick. Thursday. Okay, a bunch of little news. Nothing too heavy. 4 a.m. is very heavy on the GBP, along with 4:30. 5:30 is very heavy on the USD. 7 a.m. very heavy on the USD. Okay, so the New York session has a ton of news. New York session, a ton of news. Not so much in the London session. We do have these OPEC meetings. Shouldn't do too much. Shouldn't affect things too much. Okay, so we're pretty much clear on the news here. All right, let's go ahead and look around, see what's going on. I'm actually already in a trade from, or on the odd NZD. I believe this is going to be a really big move up. So I'll go ahead and draw that on there. Let's see. Actually, no, because I might get out of here. Depending on what happens here, I might get out of this one early. So no, I'm not recommending that trade. It's one of those kind of like the EGBP. I know how this pair moves, and it is very quick to reverse. So I think that's what's happening. But this is kind of like a swing trade. It might take a couple of days for it to go through, but I really do think it will. M Madu, how's it going? Good to see you. Didn't I tell you that USD JPY was going to go up like that? Didn't I call it exactly how it happened? I should have left the drawing on there. But yeah, I got stopped out of it early, and it did exactly what I thought it was going to do. So that happens. Just gotta shake it off and move on. But yeah, that's the good moves. The EMA pullbacks on the hourly chart. Best move in the Forex scalping world. I think everyone agrees with that. Yeah, that was one of the moves I had to understand. Understanding that move alone has made me such a better trader. Understanding the hourly chart and how it moves has really upgraded my trading overall. Komodo Dragon says morning, evening. Today ranging. Day to chop those. You can't wait like me. No, I think we'll have some trades today. There's definitely going to be some ranging pairs, but I think we'll have some trades on other things. I don't know about the dollar pairs today. Naba, you said hi. I know you don't trade gold right now, but I'm in a buy for it. What are your thoughts? Or do you think you can't really tell because you don't trade it? I'll take a look at it really quick. Yeah, I don't trade it, but let's see. That's a tough one. Yeah, that's a tough one because based on like the hourly chart, it probably should go down, but it's also a little bit overextended. And I also think the dollar is going to start losing steam. So just remember the other half of the pair is the USD. So that's going to affect it. It doesn't affect gold as much as some of the other pairs. But whatever the dollar is doing is going to affect that half of the pair. So yeah, honestly, I don't know what I would do on gold here. Yeah, it's part of the reason why I don't trade it anyway, because it's not the patterns aren't as important with gold. It's more of a fundamental pair, kind of like Bitcoin, which is why I also don't trade that either. Well, Bitcoin has a huge spread too, and so does gold. Yeah, I like the small spreads. I like the smaller spreads, the better, because it makes your scalping easier. You don't have to use big stop losses and things like that. So yeah, I'm a fan of the majors for that reason, and all these other pairs I trade. Yes, extra hot. Too hot, too hot. All right, let's see the yens. Got anything over here? Okay, we actually might have some. Let's see. A little stalled out on the yens, really. This could be a really good move here. And not my favorite, but possibility. All right. Well, let's see. You Frank went up quite a bit yesterday too. All right. Bitcoin is back above 29,000. Madu, you said whenever I trade gold or take a gold trade, it is hitting stop loss. What to do? Suggestions, please. Just keep in mind that gold has a really big spread, so you have to factor the spread into your stop loss, which is again one of the reasons why I don't trade it. The spread is usually like, well, let's see. Okay, so on FTMO it's pretty small. It's only 1.3 right now. But on like regular brokers, you have to add it in. I don't even have it on there. So on my regular broker, it's 6 pips, which is pretty high, but it also moves really far too. So if you're using like a 10 pip stop loss, you have to change it into a 16 pip stop loss. Komodo Dragon, thanks for the shout out, man. He says, buy the Currency Collective course and stop wasting time. I have to say I agree with that. I'm gonna have to fully agree with that one there. Now the course is really awesome though. I've had nothing but good feedback on it. I put a lot of time into it. Like almost died in the process of making that thing as I was so busy at the time, but I wanted to get the course out, so I went ahead and finished it up. Yeah, gold is tricky. A lot of people, they swear by trading gold, but it's just not my style, I guess. Naba, you said, I remember today I placed a gold trade and got a $100 swap fee from FTMO. Wednesday sucks. Yeah, you know, you're gonna pick whatever pairs you like, whatever pairs you gravitate towards. Gold has just never been my thing. Like my first year I was trading gold quite a bit, but yeah, it's just not my, like I said, it's not my style. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything really stand out at the moment. You said how to get the course. You can look in the description of this video. I believe it's in there. So just go to my website, ccxcollective.com, and the course is there. It's a lot of information though, so you have to be ready for. You have to definitely be focused to get through everything. I recommend going through it twice. And of course, just trade every day. That's the best thing to do. Get as many good courses and books that you can and trade every day. And that is That is the move. Oh, and this, yeah, this trade yesterday, I should have did the sell stop instead. Sell stop down here. And just went for like two reward on that. So I got stopped out by a couple of pips, and then it went through after, which I already kind of knew was going to happen. That's why I gave it an A- instead of an A+. But taking all that off there, had I entered here, that would have been the proper way to do it. Stop loss up here just in case. And you could have went for a 3. So 33 right there. So that was the proper way to do that, or use a sell stop underneath. Either one of those would have worked. So the way that I did it was not the way to do it. So I accept that loss. That was my fault. I even said it was going to happen right before it did. Yeah, the EGBP might actually keep going up. Not really sure. Not 100% sure on that one. Okay. All right, we still got 12 minutes before the open. So yeah, this trade that I took here, when was this? Where'd my chart go? There we go. Oh, was this yesterday? I think that was the trade I was gonna take but didn't, but I put it on there anyway. But anyways, I could have went for obviously a lot more. That's 8 reward right there. So I definitely could have stayed in there. That would be $1,600 on this account. Not bad. Oh, and by the way, the my FX book link is up now. So if anybody wants to check out the trades that I'm taking on this FTMO challenge retake here, you can check those out over there. Also, the FTMO link is on there too. Yeah, today I'm completely, I don't know if I want to continue these trends. They're a little bit overextended in my opinion. But they are still, you know, technically it should still continue to go up and these should continue down. Yeah, I haven't decided yet. I want to trade the dollar pairs today. I'm not sure. Okay, we got 8 minutes before the open. I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll be right back. Okay. Whew. All right, we still got 4 minutes to go. We might get some reversals on the open. Possibly. Komodo Dragon, you said you are tired of failing. The compound works 100% well on me if I'm trading one pair, because my second name is Mr. Revenge Trading, and blow it if trading too many pairs. Yeah, I know plenty of people who only trade 1 or 2 pairs. Some people only trade 1 pair. I know some people that only trade gold. I know some people only trade the GU. The good thing about trading only a couple of pairs is you'll get to know those pairs really well. The bad thing about only trading a couple pairs is there'll be days where there's no moves. So that's the only reason I keep all these pairs. But like I said, it's not as many pairs as it looks, because so many of them are so similar. So I've gone over that 1,000 times. I'm not going to go over it now. But yeah, trading 1 or 2 pairs is a viable strategy. And if you're prone to over trading, just limit the amount of trades that you can take every day. So for example, mine is six maximum trades per session, and I would say 90% of the time I stay within that, and that alone has made my trading 10 times better than back in the day. You know, my first year where I was taking like 10, 15, 20 trades a day, and they were all low quality trades. Now I only take maybe like 2 or 3, maybe 4 at the most. So yeah, you have to put limitations on yourself, and you have to actually follow those limitations as well. You have to have the discipline in order to keep everything together. And trust me, once you've lost enough money, you'll build discipline. Someone like me, I'm very hard-headed, so it took me a little longer. But that's just a part of my personality. I wouldn't be where I am if I wasn't hard-headed. So, you know, it's good and bad. All right, so we got the open in 1 minute. I'm actually expecting a lot of movement on this open. Very possible this comes down a little bit more. All right, 20 seconds. Yeah, I think this is going to be a nice open. Heavy moves. All right, here we go. Does the dollar continue up? Probably. All right, I don't see anything juicy yet. I'm keeping my eye on this one here. I'm tempted to go for the quick scalp long on this one. I might actually do it. Yeah, I think I will. Actually, yeah, I will. 4. 8. Okay, let me give it a minute actually. Okay, I'm actually gonna go for it. All right, and the reason why I took this trade is the open usually will reverse a lot of trends, at least for a little bit, and then they'll continue in the original direction after. And since it's on a mini double bottom here, there's a pretty good chance that it works. But if the momentum is too strong, it'll push through it. Was it too strong? Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. Worth a try. All right, so the dollar looks like it's still going up then. Not getting a break or anything. Yeah, I'm thinking the dollar pairs are not going to be the best to trade today. Like I said, they're kind of overextended. They should continue in the trend, but it probably doesn't have much further to go. So I would definitely wait. All right. Komodo Dragon, you said which price will gold drop to for a quick scalp? Like I said, I don't trade it, but yeah, I don't think I would take a trade here, personally. Yeah, I wouldn't take it, honestly. I wouldn't do anything on here right now. That's just me. Oh, come on. Yeah, I've been getting hit with the flippy reverse quite a bit. Okay, I'm gonna repeat that same move because I'm pretty sure I was right there. All right, so I was right. I was just a little bit too early. Once again, this has been the case a lot lately. Komodo Dragon, you said I'm on 9.5% drawdown on my last 0.5%. Yeah, you should send me your FTMO metrics. I would like to see what type of trades you're taking. If you don't mind. But yeah, now that FTMO is unlimited, you can be much more careful and you don't have to rush to get it done. All right, cool. Yeah, you can send it to my email if you want. nj@ccxcollective.com or daytradernj@gmail.com, either one. Mark me 29. You said no need to compound, which was the reason in the first place to make the time limit. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, it's like super easy now. The only thing that made it hard was the time limit. Ruben Black and White said locked in from Kenya. How are you? I'm doing good, man. Working a little bit too much, but it's okay. I'd rather be working than not working. MKKM says, yo, 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 how's it going? Good to see you. Be sure to hit the like button, everybody, if you're enjoying the streams. Today was one of those days where I did not want to stream. If I stay up until 2 today, it will be a 17-hour day again, just like yesterday. So I've been kind of maybe going a little bit too hard, but you know. You gotta do what you gotta do. You said any signals, my guy? I don't see anything spectacular at the moment. That's why I'm in this super not so great trade. Two not so great trade. Well, the odd NZD is pretty decent actually, but this EU trade I'm in right now is not the greatest. Although there's a pretty decent chance it'll work. Going long over here though is pretty good. You just have to put the stop loss way down here, which means you gotta put your take profit way up. So it might take a couple of days to go through. Okay. All right, I ended up losing that one too. Did not get the flippy reversal like I thought I would. Yeah, I'd say like the last 6 or 7 days has not been the best. Oh, you said I'm Superman? I wish. Wish I was Superman. Actually, yesterday wasn't that bad. Today's kind of not the best today. So far, still really early in the session though. So we'll see what ends up happening. Yeah, this might be similar to the last couple of days. Half an hour, 45 minutes of nothing, and then a bunch of good trades right after that. So hopefully I end up getting something today. Okay, we're getting a nice pullback here. Okay, so this is a potential EMA pullback here. I'm gonna have to be pretty quick about it. Gonna go for it. Yes, I think so. Okay, it looks like the EGBP should be coming back up too. So if this comes back up, I'll push that trade down even faster. All right. Naba, you said, would you recommend closing the first GU if it hits entry, or let both play out? I'm gonna see what happens. It should be fine. Let me see the chart again. Yeah, it really should be fine. It should go further, much further than where I have to take profit anyway. So this should recover quite a bit. Now there's a possibility that this ends up being the flippy reversal I was trying to get earlier. Oh. All right, so basically I did it backwards. Terrible. Man. Yeah, that was the equivalent of getting crossed up in basketball. Oh. Yep. The double flippy. The Forex market broke my ankles. Okay. That's a good sign. Okay, it actually looks like I might get it now. Finally. All right, so the take profit is 10 pips away. So it shouldn't be too difficult to get to. All right, I'm gonna move these stops down a little bit. Okay, there's gonna be some pullbacks here too. Yep, same as yesterday. Had to wait until 12:42 get anything going. Okay, nice EMA pullback here. Got a little late on that one. Okay, I have to use the bathroom really quick. I'll be right back. All right, looks like I didn't get wrecked, so that's good. This will be a good set of wins or a terrible set of losses. That's how this is going to go here. Because they're all linked to the same thing. These are not that odd NZD one, but the GU and the UCAD are all linked to the dollar. So yeah, I'm going to either win all three or lose all three. Yeah, I believe the EGBP is going to go back up. Hopefully, and that'll push the trade through. But if it continues coming down, then I would probably end up losing the trades. At least the GU ones. I should have went short here instead. NZDU looks a little bit better. All right, it's looking a lot better. Still not to the finish line yet, though. The odd NZD, I'm gonna keep it where it is. All right, it looks a lot better now. Still not to the finish line though. All right, patient. Ah, shit. Man, that was a huge jump. All right, the UCAD, I'm actually... this is a tough one. Daniel S, how's it going? I'm doing pretty good. Overworked, as usual. I'm cool though. Patience, patience. Yeah. Oof. A little more. Oh, goodness. Very nerve-wracking. Levels are being hit. A little more. A little more. All right, I'm gonna take them. I think, yeah. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna take them now. Just too risky. Oh. Thanks, Naba. You saw that? Almost had a heart attack in the process. Okay. Well, I'm back above 100K now, even with a little bit of a profit. Now, what's going on over here with this? Yeah, this one, I think it's gonna take forever, like 2-3 days, which I usually don't even hold trades for that long. Yeah, spot me fly, it was too risky. It definitely was. I fully agree with that. So if I'm looking around at like actual good trades right now, I'm not seeing any. Yeah, other than this odd NZD that I was in from yesterday, I don't see any good trades. So technically, I should have just not taken any. That would have been the smartest thing to do. Actually, no, I take that back. The only good trade so far was this one. This was a valid pullback here. Got a nice tight stop loss too, like 5. $5, $10, $15. That was the only like decent trade so far. He may pull back to the 21, and we'll see if it actually ends up going all the way up there, which it probably will. But yeah, other than that, yeah, all this was a bunch of choppy mess. But yeah, on choppy days like this, it's okay to just take one trade. On this account, that's still $600. I don't think anybody's mad at making $600 in a day, really in 2 hours. So there's nothing wrong with that. You just have to be okay with just getting the $600. But my goal today was just to get back above 100K so I can continue on with the compounding from here. 3 solid trades, that's all I need. I gotta get this thing done before the end of the month. Hopefully even faster than that. Hopefully it'll take me less than 2 weeks. Okay, I think I'll call it a day there. I don't see much else happening, so I'll stay in my odd and CD trade. Like I said, I think this goes through. It might take a minute. It's a pretty low chance of it failing. Other than that, I don't see anything else. Possibly, no, I wouldn't do that either. I was gonna say go short here, but I don't think so. So yeah, kind of a choppy, slow day, kind of like it has been for the past couple of days. Nothing too surprising. Hopefully tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow's Friday, so hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit more movement. I would like to at least get through the first 2 compound trades if possible. And that will put me at 2,400, and then starting next week, I can hopefully get that last trade and be done. That is the goal. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit the like button if you did. I'll be back tomorrow night at 11:30 p.m. Pacific time as usual. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.